Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Barkeyville, PA. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located off of I-80, this Barkeyville Motel features free Wi-Fi and laundry facilities. Slippery Rock University is 12 miles from the motel. Every room at the Motel 6-Barkeyville has cable TV and a private bathroom. A microwave and refrigerator are also included. Rooms are brightly decorated and have wood furnishings. At the Barkeyville Motel 6, a 24-hour front desk is available. Coffee is provided each morning in the lobby. The prime outlets in Grove City are 14 miles from the property. Grove City College is 8 miles from the motel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.